Thanks for tuning in to this video weather briefing. This is Alex Tardy from the National Weather Service office in San Diego. This is your weather briefing for January 23rd through 27th. Several things going on here in Southern California. Santa Ana winds, high surf, and then precipitation. The threat due to the wind is expected to be high, moderate for the surf impacts, and then low for the rainfall. As we talked about the high impact expected from the wind, there is a high wind warning in effect through Sunday morning. This includes the areas shown here in the light brown shade. Note that the wind goes all the way to the coast in Orange County and then moves into areas along the I-15 and 215 corridors. Here's a look at the peak wind gusts that we're expecting with the Santa Ana wind. This will be the strongest wind from tonight through Saturday evening. So this is the first part of the event. The wind will pick up around midnight and continue through Saturday with the strongest winds expected Saturday morning hours as shown here. Areas in red exceeding 60 miles per hour. The areas you see in the green and yellow, 30 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts. The wind will decrease across northern areas Saturday night into Sunday morning, but still remain windy in the wind-prone areas such as the San Gorgonio Pass, over in the Santa Ana Mountains, and also the Gorgonio Pass area. But note that the winds remain strong across San Diego County through Sunday morning. Areas in red exceeding 60 miles per hour. That wind reaching all the way down to near Poway, where we'll see gusts over 30 miles per hour. Note the impact to the Interstate 8 corridor. So what's causing the Santa Ana wind? We have a setup with strong surface high pressure over the Great Basin area as shown here in the H, and also a weak low pressure area down near the Baja. That's creating the pull from high to low pressure with those Santa Ana winds. Those winds are forced through the mountains and passes and up and over and around them, causing the enhanced wind that we see in Southwest California during Santa Anas. We mentioned the low pressure area. What's causing that? Well, there's an upper level storm system off the Baja region that'll move slowly northeastward and across extreme Southern California on Sunday and Monday as shown here. This will bring our chances for rainfall. It'll also be high snow levels due to the warm air mass. We talked about precipitation chances with the upper low coming in. Here's the outlook for precipitation as it stands now. This will likely change as we get closer to next week. The main rainfall is expected to be on Monday and Tuesday with that upper low arriving. The outlook calls for most areas receiving about a quarter to a half inch of rain, but locally heavier amounts as that upper low comes directly overhead across extreme Southern California. Here's a summary of what we're expecting. Santa Ana wind increasing tonight, peaking Saturday morning and again Sunday morning, then decreasing noticeably Sunday afternoon. Peak wind gusts 50 to 80 miles per hour, those wind-prone areas and those interstate corridors such as Interstate 15, Highway 91, and Interstate 8. Wind gusts 25 to 40 miles per hour, except in the immediate San Diego coastline. Otherwise, those wind gusts will be prevailing. High surf advisory through Saturday evening with highest waves on Saturday morning. Surf heights of 5 to 8 feet with sets to 10 feet. Rain showers developing on Monday and continuing into Tuesday. Light rainfall amounts, generally less than a half inch. Most places receiving a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch. But we'll see locally heavier amounts. And also note that the desert regions, especially the lower deserts, Coachella Valley, could see rainfall from this storm. Here's the confidence that we're looking at. The timing is moderate confidence as shown here. Then for our impacts, medium to high confidence, as we're pretty confident especially with the wind impacts and the surf. And then the confidence for precipitation amounts is less, mainly because the storm is still several days out until we get into the Monday, Tuesday time frame. Here are some links. You can find the latest hazards at the link at the top, or just visit weather.gov San Diego. On your mobile phone, you can visit mobileweather.gov. Also check us out on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks for tuning in.